Our 5-hole Chinese wok. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 104 inches, a depth of 39 inches, and a height of 61 inches tall. Height towards the top of the stove, we have 33 inches in height. This Chinese wok range can be customized upon request, so please contact us for more details. The first left and right wok holes will measure 13 inches each, and the first, second, and third widest Chinese wok holes will measure 18 inches. And again, this is just an example of what we have to offer in terms of customization upon request. Measurements for each swivel head faucet will include 14 inches, and on the top of the faucet are 2 steel rods. Beneath each burner will be the waste pans, along with the actual waste basket. An example of the waste pan will come in wide and narrow options. Measurements for the widest waste pan will include 18.5 inches in length by 31 inches in depth. While the narrow waste pan will include 14 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. Each waste pan can be removed and inserted back onto the track beneath each burner. Please note that depending on the wok ranges on top and the size of each wok ring, the size of the waste pans will vary. Measurements for the actual waste pan basket can be removed, and the measurements for this one will include 5.5 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, by 5 inches in height. The waste basket can be removed and inserted back onto the center slot. Each gas and water valve will be located beneath each burner for operation. Coming to the back of the Chinese wok will be the copper pipe for the water connection. Coming to the left is the NSF certification for this Chinese wok. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.